Hello. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use the digital power feature on your Imars Dual charger. Digital power is a feature which allows the Imars Dual to be used as a constant power source for accessories. In our case, we'll be using digital power to heat up our drag racing tires with some hot bands tire warmers. To pair our warmers with the Imars Dual, we'll be using a female XT60 to female XT90 adapter since the tire warmers come with an XT90 plug. For this example, we'll be plugging in our tire warmers to channel A of the Imars Dual. Let's go ahead and jump into our settings menu, scroll to select task, and choose digital power. The next thing we have to set is our target voltage. In our case, we'll be setting our voltage to 12 volts per the hot band's recommended settings. Each accessory being used has a target voltage set by the manufacturer and may differ between accessories. Please make sure you follow the manufacturer's recommended voltage settings using digital power. Target current can be set up to 15 amps. And again, please make sure you're checking with the specifications set by manufacturer of your accessory. For our purpose, we'll be setting our target current to 5 amps. Once you have your settings to the spec of your accessory, go ahead and select Start Task. The hot bands take a minute or so to warm up, but once I'm ready to hit the pavement, with one short press of the Enter Settings button, you can adjust the current to stop the digital power to safely cut power to your accessory while you're racing. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps, and we'd love to hear in the comments which accessories you plan on using with digital power. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.